It's the next day. I have checked out of the Cave Cottage and checked into the Green Nest Resort's Royal Category room. It's very windy tonight. I am feeling cold, so let's get inside. My stay for today is Honeydew. Now, without wasting much time, let's start the room tour. As soon as you enter, I have inserted the room key. Look at how giant, how tall the door length is. This particular space is for keeping in all your luggage, very spacious. As the name suggests, these royal category rooms have a royal touch to it. It also has a balcony, which I will show you later. The wooden cupboard is ideal for keeping in and hanging in all your clothes. It has different sections, compartments, racks, wherein you can store more stuff. Next to the wardrobe is a vintage dresser where you can dress up. The coconut oil is freeze due to the cold climate. I love full length mirrors. You can click a lot of mirror selfies. I am obsessed with mirror selfies. This is my outfit of the day. Exactly opposite to the wardrobe is the washroom. The washroom is as big as a room. Some fresh towels are kept, toilet paper roll, here's a commode, a cute vintage rectangular shaped mirror. Below it is the wash basin. It has a separate shower area in which a bucket mug set is kept for having bath in case you don't want to have a shower. Some basic toiletries are kept that you need, like a soap, a shower cap, a shampoo bottle, and lastly a moisturizer. I have turned on this light for brightness. The washrooms are very clean, hygienic, well maintained, neat and tidy. Love the small details like this cute dainty plant, the air freshener. They have provided another soap, then dental kit. Oh hey, it's me. I have arranged the luggage, my trolley bags, in a high to low order. If you carefully observe, the theme of this premium room is vintage and wooden based. Everything is made of wood, right from the cozy, comfortable bed to the wooden ceiling to each piece of furniture is made of wood, and also the wooden flooring. Besides the bed, each side table has a single drawer, intercom facility for you to connect with the room service, dining, etc. This lounge bench is very cushy, soft, just sit, relax, and enjoy. In this corner, you can have conversations with your family over evening morning tea, gup shop, chai pe charcha, looking at the outside view. Heater for those cold nights keeps you warm. These gorgeous flowers can light up anyone's mood. Then you can order some refreshing drinks, mocktails from their refreshers menu. Room dining services available. They have a 42-inch LED TV for entertainment. You can watch your favorite shows, latest movies, binge all night. As I have mentioned this earlier, plastic is banned here. They provide filtered water in such glass bottles. Electric kettle for making tea, coffee, a set of two cups, two glasses, coffee sachets, uh, a tea sachet, milk powder, refined sugar, sulfur free sugar. Lastly, come with me to the balcony. It feels very calm, peaceful, and quiet here at night. What's special is the views from the balcony, they are amazing. It's dark right now, so I will show you the lush green tea estate view in the next vlog. Wait, where are you all going? I still have to show you guys what I ordered for dinner. Starting with the lemon coriander soup, this was so good. You can also sprinkle some black pepper for more better taste. In starters, I have gobi Manchurian dry, my favorite, little baby corn starter. In main course, I have ordered paneer butter masala, then garam garam fulkas, and in rice I have veg biryani along with raita. So that's it for the video, guys. I'll see you in the next vlog. Till then, bye bye.